How to add friends on Clash Royale. So if you want to add friends on your Clash Royale, then first you need to launch your game on your mobile device and then log into your account. After that, click on the social menu on the top right of your screen. It's the first button beside your banner. And then from the new menu that pops up, click on the invite friend button in order to invite your friend on Clash Royale. But alternatively, you can also add your friends to your Supercell ID. To do that, you need to click on the hamburger menu in the game home screen and tap the Supercell ID at the bottom. After that, you can click on the add button. You'll have three different ways to add your friends using this method. First is you can share your QR code so that your friends can scan it in order to add you, or you can scan your friend's Supercell ID QR code to add them to your list, or you can click on share link to profile to generate a shareable invite link that they can tap to add you to their list. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.